Hey everyone, it is very good to see you in part 2 of Chikmagalur trip. After Bhadra, we decided to have a cozy and relaxing stay. At Max, we thought of doing bird watching and bird photography. So we planned for homestay, which has a good coffee plantation, and we opted for Sabyatha Homestay. This beautiful and budget property is around 12 kilometers from in Chikmagalur town. The moment you reach to Sabyatha Homestay, from entrance until cottage, one can see lots of beautiful flowers. Homestay owner Mr. Darshan is excellent example of hospitality. He will do everything to fulfill guest demand and very polite.
Quick check. If you have come this far, that means you are liking this video. Please subscribe and help us grow our channels. Subscription doesn't cost anything and is absolutely free.
After relaxing whole day, next day early morning we went to their coffee plantation property for nature walk and bird watching.
Early morning we started for the bird watching and bird photography, and Sabyatha Homestay told us that we can go to their property, that is 20 plus acre property, coffee estate. Hopefully we'll see lots of birds. So this is the path for their homestay, their property plot. We are in Sabyatha Homestay property. Very beautiful property it is. You can hear lots of birds. And just now we spotted Malkoha, blue-faced Malkoha. Unfortunately we could not take picture. We'll spend some time here. Let's see what we can find. Stay tuned guys. Let's see. Bye Gunda.